Hello everybody, in today's video I will show you how to deactivate or delete your Lumosity account. First of all, open your application. After that, here in the bottom we will find this little menu that has the home menu or games and stats in insights menu. But we are interested in this little icon that says more. After that, we will have this tab or this window here. We are interested on the account settings and we are going to click on it. So here we will go down and search for delete account option. As you can see, it is written on in red font color. So after that, we will pop up a confirmation message to make sure if you really want to delete your account or to deactivate it. But make in consideration that if you delete your account, you will have all your data lost. So whenever you're going to re-sign up with the same email, you will have all your progress and all your data has been deleted. So you are going to restart all the playing from the beginning. And for me, I will just click in cancel because I don't want to delete my account. So those are the steps to delete your Lumosity account. Thank you for watching and goodbye.